Jai Hind class, welcome live class of computer science. Students, hope everyone practice whatever we have done previous classes. Students, whatever we have done, just I am showing with these animations. See everyone, students. Students, previous class, first of all, what you have completed. See this. Uh, in first class, you have done how to move the train. Okay, this way. Now next same class, shape twin. Next class, what we have done, shape twin, how to change the shape twin. Okay, next plane, same class we have done also this animates, how to move the. Okay, students, students, today we will discuss how to uh, next. I am showing with this PDF file, students. See one. These things we have completed. Shape twin we have completed. How to change the shape twin. How to use the classic twin. Motion guide. How we can do. Next class we are just starting classic motion guide. How we can do, students. Just see everyone. First of all, students, by sequence wise, select a rectangle tool and draw a rounded rectangle shape track as shown, that is sphere is given. The rename layer is racing track and layer 2 we will keep their racing car. So first of all, students, rectangle tool, change the color, we are changing here, this is the only white, students. Okay, now next, again rounded this, okay, this one rounded. Next, very small, now between track it should be white. Okay, students, so the same thing we have done this way. Now here we are changing this layer. What name is given, students? The same things we will write here. Here given the racing track. Layer 1 is racing track, and next layer also we will with the timeline we will use the next layer. The name of this layer is layer 2, but rename we will do the racing car. So racing track. So we will write now racing track, students. Racing underscore track. Okay. Next one, again I'm with the insert option, go the timeline and layer. Now second layer, this is the car, racing car. Okay, students, racing car. Now by this we will make the a car. Yes, this way. Now we will take the circle for wheels, very small. Okay, little bit, two wheels we have taken. Now Schwinn, by selection tool, okay, whole R, and go on the modify and convert to symbol. Now we will write here racing car, racing underscore car. And this is graphic, it should be graphic, so we have they already by default is given. Okay, now this is the graphic. Okay, Ashwin, next one is given. I am showing with this PDF file. Selection tool we have done. Insert another layer, selecting the insert timeline layer and rename the to path. Again we will take with a insert the layer for path. Okay, we can see here. Now we have taken path. Select frame 80 in all the layers together. Right click and choose the insert frame option. Sequence. Select the by this way. By right click and insert the frame. Okay. We can see here. Insert the frame option. Now this page is computer Schwinn. Everyone open the book Schwinn. I am showing also this way. Select the car and the track layer. Insert a keyframe at frame 80. Select the car and track layer. So Schwinn, now we just going. Select the car and track and insert the keyframe. Okay, now these two places we have done Schwinn. Now this place we have done. Now select the path layer, choose the pencil tool from the tools panel and draw a path on the track. So select the path layer. Now Schwinn, what we will choose? Path layer. Okay, now pencil tool with the shift option by this way. It's complete. Choosing the shift option on the keyboard, you will hold the shift option. Okay, Schwinn, by eraser. Done. Now Schwinn, next. Path on the track. Select the frame 1 of the racing car layer and choose the selection tool and position the car at the beginning of the circle path. Select the frame 1 of the racing car. Okay, select the frame 1 of the racing car. So racing car is here, frame 1 is here. Select it. Okay, and suppose the beginning, when we talk about the beginning, suppose we are beginning here. Okay, from beginning here. Okay, next one is given Schwinn. Now everyone see the book. With the help of book, it is enough for you. Okay? Why we are telling with this way? Because if you will do yourself, then also you can do with your book. Okay? With this video you can do, but with your book also you can do better. And select frame 1 and racing car layer selection tool and position the car at the beginning of the circle path. So we have done students. Now select frame 80 of the same layer and drag the car to end point of the path. Okay, see students. Racing car, select the 80. Suppose here we have done. Okay, next one is given students. Up till right click on a frame between frame 1 and frame 80 of the right click on a frame between frame 1 and frame 80 and select the classic create classic twin option from the context menu. This is the where we will do better. This is the drag the car. So now again we are going create classic twin, and here also create classic twin. Now we have done both sides. Okay students, now next one is right click on the path layer and select the guide option. Right click on the path layer. So right click on the path layer and their guide option. Okay, so this option is showing. Now next is given drag the racing car layer onto the path layer. Drag the racing car. Students, drag the racing car. Okay, again see this. Now this one is coming. Here showing same way. Drag the racing car layer onto the path layer. We will see the path layer changes to a guide layer indicated with this symbol. So you can see students here also this way. Okay, now next one is given select the frame on a racing car layer, go to the properties panel and select the orient to path. The checkbox to rotate the car on the path. CV1. Then properties, students, they orient to path. There is given. Okay. Now next option, press the control plus enter in same way whatever we have done. Control test movie animate. So not getting the actual path, that's why we are not moving this now. Okay, again I'm doing this. So this way we have to when we move on the path by this way. Okay, now again we can see this way. If actually we will make, then it will be rotate. Okay, so this way students, when you have to do this by whatever we have done, and when you will do the same way, you will make a correct path in order form, then it will move like that whatever we have done. Okay students, so next one, next students, how to paint a stylish stroke on the stage. CV1, how we can do. Paint brush tool, students, paint brush tool. So we are taking the new file with the help of new option. Okay, here paintbrush tool. So we will go on the paintbrush tool, students. Paintbrush tool. Okay, click on it, and here what we have to do, students, draw the stylish brush stroke. Animate CC provides you a new tool that enables you to get creative. Okay, this tool has symmetry brushes which allow you to draw cool, symmetrical, interesting textures, patterns, and drawings. So here, text tool is used to this tool is used to draw a stylish brush stroke. Click on the pen brush tool. Already we have clicked there. In the properties vector, type in the stroke size 10. So here you can see stroke size 10. So this is stroke size 10. So only 10 we will write. Okay, stroke size 10 we have selected. Done. Next one is given. Click on the brush library icon, and brush library appears on the animate window. Select any brush from the displayed options and double click on it. The selection brush will appear on the style options. Now click the drag and mouse on the direction where you want to draw it. Release the mouse button and observe. So see everyone, students, whatever the said here. See this. This is the brush library. Okay. Now it is here, students, we can see now we adjusted here arrows, artistics, decorative, line tool, pattern brush. So you can see, students, whatever here in this PDF, the brush appears on the animate window. Select any brush from the displayed options and double click on it. And select brush will appear in the style options. So we can see here, students, pattern brush this way. Whatever is here given, pattern arrow. Suppose we have done this. Okay. Now when we click, so we want to draw. See this. This is the pattern. Okay. If you are choosing this pattern, double click on it. Okay, this way. Whatever we have, okay, this way will come. Decorative. Clear? This way we can do. Again, I am telling students. I close brush tool also. Now change the color of this. So white we have done. So first of all, for this we will choose the pen brush tool. Okay, pen brush tool. Now stroke, it should be should be 10. Now brush library, there are many options: artistics, arrows, decorative, line art, pattern brushes, vector path. So pattern brushes, decorative, dashed, this way form. Suppose double click on it. Now when we will draw rectangle, see this way, whatever, it should be double click. Okay, then it will show also here in a style form. Whatever we have, choose here. Okay, this way we have to do, students. So students, now clear this one. So you have to do, students. Next, again, next one. Hope everyone understood, students, how we have done. Next one, students. How to make your own brush stroke. This one. How to make a. This is using the pencil tool. How we will do, students. See one. I think this one is the last form. Okay. First of all, see one. We will take first of all the new file, create options. Okay, students, no need to this paint library. So we have close here. Next one is CV1. Select the pencil tool from the tools panel and set the pencil mode to smooth. Draw a flower as shown in figure and color it using the paint bucket tool. So CV1, first of all we will do these things. What we are saying, pencil tool, change the color. This is a pencil tool. We want to change the color first of all. Color, it should be red. Suppose we have done this with the help of pencil tool. Students, we just want to make the flower should here we change the here star options. Use the star options. It's better. See, okay. Now you know ink tool we have used students with the last point. Yes. See this. So easy. Okay. Now we can add the circle here. If you, suppose this way. Okay. I think maybe similar issuance. You can see. Yes, there are some clear students. Now after that what we have to do, uh, already we have done. Choose the selection tool and drag the mouse pointer to select the flower. Okay, first of all selection tool, choose the flower. Now we have chosen students. Next one is saying click on create new paintbrush from the selection tool. Present next to pencil symbol in the style options on the property inspector. You can see students what is saying. See this. This is a create new paintbrush. Wait students. There's something. Student, then selection tool present next to style options on the property inspector. The paintbrush option dialog box appears. Okay, like this. It will be open. There type of brush to from the type drawn down list. Enter name the flower in the name text box. You can see students. We just close it students. Again close. Yes. Here art brush, pattern brush this way. So we should art brush whatever we have done. Pen brush we will write here name flower. Okay, flower we have written. Neither scale proportionality like this. How the way we want to move? So this way. Okay, so no need to like this. We will do students again. Paintbrush option dialog box as shown figure this way. The type of brush from the type drawn down list in the name flower and name text box. Now we have written students. Select the scale proportionality. CV1 scale proportionality we have done students. Next one is saying click on the add button. So now we have not click on the add button. So here we will click on add button. Okay. Now student, what will happen? Select the line tool from the tools panel. Select the line tool from the tools panel. You will notice that save brush stroke in the style option list. Select the line tool. Line tool this option. See students. Now this has come. Okay. Now click the drag the line on the stage, automatically the flower will be drawn. So you can see students, see this. Whatever, actually their thickness is hard, so like this is coming. When thickness will be removed, again will come. I'm doing again better, just see everyone. Yes. Stroke, now we have gone the polystar normal, okay, and with the help of ink anything you can select. Suppose we are doing this one, so we can also as a select as a style. This one we have done, students. Now what should we select, students? On the selection tool. Yes, we have done this. This is what, students? Okay, select personality. Here we can write here flower and add. Okay, now line tool, see students, getting or not? Same way, because stroke is given, so that's why few coming. So this way we can do, students. Clear? Next one, students. Now this is the recap. A symbol reusable object for static images or animations. This is the whatever summary we have done previous. So students, now this chapter what we have completed, what about the how to create a symbol, students. Now we have read, and after that a train, how to move the train we have done, students. How to create a motion twin with the help of animation we have done, students. After how to change the shape twin, clear, students? Classic twin, these things, motion guide, then classic motion guide also we have done with this track. And after that how to paint stylish strokes on the stage, also these things we have done. And at last we have done this, how to make your own brush stroke. So students, all the practicals we have completed, clear, students? And also we have sent students question answer. I think everyone done. When the blanks, true, false, it's a application based question. After that all the question answer. So students, you have to learn, students, this much. Students, you have to do also better whatever this quick view is given. Let's know more, quick view, these all are things, this is very important, students. So you have to do, students, this is very important for you. So students, chapter working with Animate CC. Students, chapter unit test 2, there are two chapters are coming, log on to Animate CC and working with Animate CC. Both chapter, they all the exercises you have to learn in the blanks, true, false, MCQ, and whatever quick view they all are given. You have to learn also that one, students. That is very important. Question answer, because between the questions also we have given as a form of the MCQ. So you have to learn, students. Okay, and I think more and more students are learning, and few maybe first chapter log on to Animate CC you have completed. So students, God bless you, students, for your unit test. Thank you, students. Jai Hind.